Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I have another palm frond here, and I think I want to paint a palm tree on it. Wonder how that'll work out. I got some more paint, so we have some green and some brown. And look, there's a hole right there. Maybe I could hang it with that. All right, so I've got it all cleaned, and I think I'm just gonna jump into painting. So I took the blue and some white that I had and kind of mixed it up a little bit for the background on the top. The bottom I've got browns and greens, and I'll need to straighten that up a little bit better here. But I've got my trunk started. Now I've got to get my green back out for the top of the tree. I think I'm pretty much finished with it. Now I just got to put some Mod Podge on it, and then I'll show you a little bit closer what I did, and I also need to do a hanger. So now to let it dry, it will dry clear, and maybe another coat. We shall see. And here it is, all finished. I did do another coat of the Mod Podge, and here is my beaded hanger. I'll explain a little bit exactly how I made that, but I'm excited about this. I'm not much of an artist, but I can do palm trees. They're pretty easy to do. So for the hanger, I just took hemp, blue wax cording, and green wax cording, and I chain stitched about 10 and overhand knotted, added beads and seashells, did some more overhand knot, fed it through that hole there, brought it up, added more beads, and it looks very boho. This was a very, very fun project to do, and I hope I get to do some more. Let me know what you think about painting palm fronds. Have you ever done anything like that before? Let me know down in the comment section below, and I hope you all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.